Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You're starting now. Open the YouTube app on mobile or visit YouTube in a modern browser. Make sure camera permissions are granted on mobile or your webcam is connected on desktop. Once signed in, check for the QR scan icon near the upload or share controls. If it's not visible, update the app or reload the page. Doing this ensures the scanner feature appears and avoids permission errors later. This is the foundation for scanning links, onboarding codes, or sharing videos via QR. Next, you'll find and engage the scanner. Tap the QR icon or open the Upload/Share menu to reveal scan options. Point the camera at the code and keep it steady. Once YouTube recognizes the QR, it will parse the URL or data and show a preview. Make sure to watch for prompts. Open the link, preview the video, or save to drafts. If scanning a printed code, reduce reflections. If scanning from another screen, lower brightness to prevent glare, so detection completes reliably. Finish by selecting the action YouTube showed. Open the video, add to a playlist, or follow the channel. If nothing happens, make sure the URL is valid and you have internet connectivity, then retry. A common fix is cleaning the camera lens, increasing contrast, or moving to a brighter area. If the scanner icon never appears, restart the app, check for system permissions, or reinstall. These steps resolve most missing feature issues and get you back to scanning quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.